Ladies and gentlemen, we have a beautiful new product for you today. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris, and today we are going to be reviewing the TREBLAB X1 White Earbuds. Reason why I like the white earbud color, obviously Apple has made the white color earbuds super popular, and that's the reason why most people buy them. But what I do like about white is you can see white earbuds in the gym, if you're doing gardening in your front yard, so your neighbors, people passing by know that you have earbuds in, so that they won't assume you're trying to be rude if you don't acknowledge them after they holler at you, especially at the gym. People know that earbuds are in, and I know some ladies like to wear earbuds even though they might not be listening to music, just to not be disturbed. I totally understand, and vice versa. Okay, just like all my videos, in the description box right below the video, click on show more. You're going to see the link for this in the top link in the description box below. You guys can read more about them, pick a pair up yourself, see what other people are talking about them in the description box below once again. Without further ado, let's get this bad boy open. We'll go ahead and charge them fully before we do give it a rip for the first time and pair them up. And I do want to mention that these have 4 microphones for crystal clear phone calls. We'll be putting that to the test. Touch control, transparency mode, compact size, balanced sound. It's been a while since I have reviewed TREBLAB earphones or earbuds, and I'm excited to give these ones a run for their money. Okay, we got the quick start guide, we got the user manual, we got a little sticker, and we have the earbuds. And if they're both in there, those are very compact. And under this should be your charging cable and some extra ear tips. So let's check out our charging cable here, which newer devices are going to Type-C. So that's really nice, USB to Type-C. Very short, probably 5 inches, 6 inches tip to tip. And in this little one here, you have 2 sets. So 4 total, but 2 different sets of different ear tips for the different folks that have different ear size canals, if that makes any sense. And I have to mention also what I do like about silicone tip earbuds is Apple's, the ones without the tips, they just fall straight out. So the ones that are designed without the tips, you jog and they just fall right out. But the ones with the tips, wow, those are very small. Super cool. They're probably the same size as Apple's, but they just have this is a smaller case. So obviously the battery is a little bit smaller than like maybe one sticking out to here, but I really like that small design. You got a couple LED indicator lights right here. Tells you the charge volume of them, etc. But if you did notice here down here at the bottom, you do have to remove that blue tape, or sticker I should say, for the charging prongs. Remove that for the charging gold prongs on the bottom. And sorry, my switching just briefly over to a different camera for a better close-up shot than the DSLR. We have charging prongs on the bottom. Remove that blue sticker. It's in pairing mode right now. You already have a pair of white silicone ear canal tips on it. White silver screens on the inside, looks like. You got your microphone up on top there. Microphone hole down at the bottom right of my thumb, and of course the LED indicator light with a very subtle logo right there. It's a good looking earbud. The case, like we just saw briefly, has some LED indicator lights right here. Again, your other one is going to be the same thing. They are labeled left and right. Once again, microphone, charging cable, same thing, LED indicator light. Looks like the right one is trying to pair. We'll pair these up. We'll look at the directions here. Your charging case has your USB Type-C down here at the bottom. So charge the case up, and then the buds can charge inside the case. You got a little push button right here. So let's see, that might be the push button for maybe the LED indicator light. We'll figure that out. And we have a little subtle logo on the top of the case. Forgive my beautiful hair, but this is what the earbuds look in my ears. Now my ear canals with the lobes of my ears always make earbuds go this direction, as you can see, where you're like, why aren't they straight? Well, if I made them straight, they don't properly fit. So you folks with flat earlobes, some people even have attached earlobes, they would droop down probably straight. They do have a slight curve to them there, but this is how they fit in my ears. And so that's how they fit in my ear. So just pop them in like so. And we're going to give you a little wiggle test here. If you're jogging, obviously you wouldn't be making your head fling like this while you jog. But if you are doing CrossFit or skateboarding, you guys can see that that is not going anywhere. That's why I like the silicone tips. If those were Apple AirPods without the tips, those things would have been flying out 12 feet away. That's why so many people lose, look at that hair, That's why so many people lose their Apple AirPods on planes, etc. They just move their head, they fall asleep, it falls on the floor. And these feel pretty good. They feel very lightweight as well because they are a little bit smaller. Okay, this is going to be a slight demonstration. I'm not sure how this is going to work out. I'll have to review it once I'm done editing the video. But as we're looking at the silicone earbuds, I'm actually speaking with the earbuds in my ears using the microphone for this video. So if you are a YouTuber, if you are doing some sort of video work and wanted to use this as a wireless microphone, we're testing the option right now. If you were doing a product review video, we'll figure out what this sounds like. It sounds a little bit more heavier with the volume in my right ear, but we will be testing out, of course, phone calls as well. Okay, and you guys can pause this and look at the different play, pause, next track. You tap on the earbud for those volume controls. Those are great features, especially if you're working on a car, in the gym, etc. Voice assistant, gaming, transparency, factory reset, reject a call, hang up, volume, etc. Wearing method right here. Yeah, see they have their same thing tilted just a little bit there. That green indicator light on the carrying case means that the battery is 80 to 100%, blue 30 to 80, red 0 to 30. Gaming mode allows the earbuds to reduce the audio latency up to 60 ms. And here's some specs for you guys here. The earbuds, each earbud is 40 milliamp battery. The charging case is 600 milliamp battery. Calls up to 2 hours for the case and earbuds. 4 microphone, again, with ENC technology. Bluetooth is 5.0. There's the profiles, playback, signal, driver size, and charging port. Again, signal range is your typical Bluetooth device at 33 feet or 10 meters. There is the weight. You guys can pause that. And if you are wondering, the silicone tips that came with the earbuds already on them fit my ear canals perfectly. Typically, that is always the case. Okay, folks, let's go ahead and sum up the TREBLAB X1s. I really enjoyed these, especially while I've been working on my van life van, shop vacuuming, cleaning it out. And what I like is these protect my ears as well. And everybody likes to listen to a podcast, music while they're working on a project, especially indoor projects as well. I'm in a full remodel, so doing sanding, cutting, you name it. This will protect your ears and allow you to hear a podcast or music at the same time, which I really like. Also, the color scheme in white, like I already mentioned in the video, everyone is used to Apple's white color, so they see these from a super far distance away. The phone call quality is really nice, crisp and clear. No issues regarding that. You have your touch features, of course. You can reject a call, you can take a call, hang up on a call, next track, etc. There is a feature that's called pass-through. At least when you turn it on, it's called pass-through mode, where you can actually kind of hear yourself talk, and that might be gaming mode. So you can kind of hear what's going on the outside. I'm not a big fan of, just to be honest with you. Of course, I didn't try it for gaming, but for listening to music, if you accidentally have that on, it gets a little annoying for sure. Or if you're in neutral mode, before you play a song, etc. For music, it was very clean. The bass was decent, but overall sounded pretty good. And the battery life was pretty good. I did experience one time, I don't think I recharged them, I think I forgot, but I was taking a lot of phone calls yesterday, and this is actually really good. So if you're taking Wi-Fi phone calls and you have bad reception or something like that, or even if you have bad reception in your house, remember that these are Bluetooth, so you could have your phone. This is my cute little puppy. You could have your phone like in the window, getting better reception as you're at the computer desk 20 feet away or whatever, taking the phone call. So that's what I really like about taking phone calls on these as well. But I did run out of battery. They will start beeping on you, and you'll see the battery indicator on your mobile device. I think it started beeping, not crazy annoying, but it definitely lets you know that they were running out of juice, I think at 15%, and then they'll just cut off completely, and then you'll have to recharge them, so keep that in mind. Also, a cool feature that I really enjoyed is after a phone call, right, I just pull them out of my ears, I set them down like this, and I'm not exactly sure if there's a certain cutoff limit, but once I picked them up and put them back in my ears and did another phone call, it automatically connected again. I'm not sure if there is if you have them sit down there for a half an hour, if there's any sort of cutoff period, or if they automatically sense when Bluetooth is trying to connect again, but I did notice that. Thought that was a cool feature. Would I recommend them? Yes, especially because they're a little bit cheaper than the major brands. And so I'll leave that up to you. In the description box right below the video is going to be the link for the TREBLAB X1 earbuds. Top link, click on show more, description box will drop down. Top link will be these earbuds. But just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and they do intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. Also, if you wouldn't mind, hit that thumbs up button on the way out. Helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you like tech videos like this, as well as DIY projects, van life builds, etc. And next up, by TREBLAB, this is going to be a separate video. The Z7 Pros. These are wireless ANC headphones, so stay tuned for that video as well. That will be coming soon. Take care, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Your links are below. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.